Global Marketing Strategy, Lecture 5, Global Product Decisions, Part 2. Globalization of products. Product. Managing products across borders. The product life cycle on the graph on the left can be superimposed on sales as we consider expanding to alternate, less developed markets in the right graph. As the headquarters domestic product is in decline, we consider less developed markets, then domestic market A, then market B, then market C, and market D. Theoretical framework, product life cycle, PLC. Going global. The international product life cycle suggests products in international markets can have consecutive lives in different countries. Product. Managing products across borders. The international perspective means that decision-making is more difficult since a product may be manufactured in a plant in one country, exported to many countries, be a cash cow in one market and a dog in another. Careful analysis is needed before product elimination is decided. Managing introduction and decline stages of PLC, consider the following: the firm's objectives, the profitability of the company's existing range of products and services, the stage in the life cycle that products and services have reached, the manufacturing and service delivery capacity available, the likely receptiveness of the market to the new product or service, the competitive structure of the market. Product. Managing products across borders. Critical analysis of applying PLC to global context. Key concepts: time to market, TTM. Not all products follow patterns, fads. Unpredictable. Dependent on marketing mix. Two approaches: one, macro, international PLC, Vernon 1966. Two, micro, PLCs across countries, Maharo 1982. Product portfolio analysis, theoretical framework, BCG matrix. Complexity of the BCG matrix increases as the competitive positions occupied by a product and the intensity of competition differ significantly from one market to another. The analytical base constantly changes. BCG matrix may be based on one product range or one brand. Provides a basis for analyzing the current international product portfolio. Decide whether to use cash generated in cash cow countries to maintain positions or to build new positions in emerging markets where growth will be higher. Product portfolio analysis. This matrix illustrates relative market share on the horizontal axis and market growth on the vertical axis. That for one product range or one brand, circles represent country sales instead of product sales. Product development choices. What factors affect degree of adaptation or standardization? Theoretical framework, Ansoff matrix. Key questions: degree of adaptation or standardization. Product development choices. Theoretical framework, Ansoff matrix. The diagram illustrates comparing product versus promotion and the choices between standard, adapt, or new product. Dual adaptation is total differentiation. Total standardization. Markets are becoming more homogeneous, more identifiable international consumer segments, increase in number of firms moving towards globalization, forcing greater standardization in industry sectors, but issue of differentiation towards product adaptation. Product standardization is not always feasible or desirable. Environmental constraints, legal standards, safety requirements, product liability, appeal can be increased by addressing cultural and usage factors. Image of Pepperidge Farm's goldfish repackaging as fins for UK markets. Revisiting OREO in China. Please watch the following video link. Reasons for product adaptation. Cultural factors. Certain products such as food cannot be readily standardized, adapted for local tastes. Religions and cultures presents problems for large food chains. Fashion is becoming increasingly globalized. Asian countries embracing Western fashion. Usage factors. The same product used in different ways in different markets, cultural, geographical, climate, terrain, etc. Washing clothes at different temperatures in different countries. Honda adapted motorbikes for US riders to travel longer distances and rougher terrain than in Japan. Reasons for product adaptation continued. Legal standards. Difficult in food industry to achieve satisfactory industry standard given legislation in different countries and across regions. Pharmaceutical companies experience problems since different governments have varied standards of public health and approaches to healthcare. Clinical testing sometimes demanded in particular countries in accordance with health authorities. Product liability increased in litigation in recent years, particularly in USA. Great caution required when introducing standard products based on home country specifications. For example, pharmaceuticals, automotive, and tobacco. Product policy. The decision which products should be included in the range to be marketed internationally is determined by several factors. Overall growth profit objectives, experience, philosophies, and attitude of the company, characteristics of the market, requirements, expectations, and attitudes of the consumers, the products and services themselves, ease of distribution, support required from elements of the marketing mix, environmental constraints, level of risk the company is prepared to take. Product strategies. In formulating product policies, three basic acronym choices. SWIG, sell what you got, SWAB, sell what people actually buy, and GLOB, sell the same thing globally, disregarding national frontiers.